Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make music like Tally Hall. To begin, understand that Tally Hall's sound is a vibrant fusion of indie rock, pop, and theatrical flair. Their music is known for its intricate vocal arrangements and often whimsical, yet thoughtful, lyrical content. They skillfully combine traditional rock instruments with unexpected additions, creating a truly unique sonic landscape. This blend results in a playful, intelligent, and highly engaging musical experience for listeners. Next, let's dive into lyrics and vocals. Tally Hall's lyrical approach often leans towards the surreal, telling stories or exploring abstract concepts with a playful twist. Crucially, their signature sound relies heavily on multi-part vocal harmonies, frequently featuring 4 or 5 distinct voices. Think about assigning different vocal roles and experimenting with how these voices interact, whether through unison singing, call-and-response patterns, or complex countermelodies to build rich sonic layers. Now, consider instrumentation and song structure. Tally Hall masterfully blends standard rock instruments like guitar, bass, and drums with more unconventional elements such as piano, brass, and various synthesizers. Their arrangements are anything but static. Expect dynamic shifts in mood and instrumentation, often within the same song. The piano frequently serves as a foundational element, driving melodies and harmonies. Don't shy away from sudden, unexpected changes in tempo or even genre mid-song to keep listeners on their toes. Finally, let's talk about production and overall vibe. Tally Hall's production often strikes a balance between clarity and a charming, slightly unpolished feel. The key is to maintain a playful, theatrical, and even eccentric energy throughout your music. Ensure that every instrument and vocal part has its own distinct space in the mix, contributing to a rich, layered sound without becoming muddy. Focus on creative sound design and unique textures to give your tracks that memorable, quirky Tally Hall character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.